Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best bounce house is probably one of the most exciting additions to any backyard, offering endless hours of active fun and imaginative play for children, transforming ordinary days into extraordinary adventures right at home. This inflatable wonder isn't just a toy, it's a gateway to developing gross motor skills, encouraging physical activity, and fostering social interaction as kids bounce, slide, and play together in a safe and contained environment, making it a fantastic investment for family entertainment and memorable childhood moments. Number 5. Intex Jump-O-Lene Castle Bounce House. Introducing a fun-filled inflatable bouncy house designed to spark your kids' imaginations. It offers a perfect space for energetic play, bringing a castle to life. Your little ones can bounce, jump, and play without worry. It features a soft inflatable floor and high walls, providing a safe environment for endless fun. This bouncy house is perfect for both indoor and outdoor play. It's compact enough for smaller spaces and durable enough for backyard adventures. Built with a well-balanced structure, it ensures stability and avoids tipping. Made with safe, easy-to-clean PVC materials for your peace of mind. Recommended for children aged 3 to 6 years, it supports up to 120 pounds. It offers hours of fun in vibrant red, blue, and yellow colors. What we like? This one is designed to spark imagination with its colorful castle theme. It offers a safe play area with a soft floor and high walls. If you are looking for a versatile bouncer that can be used both indoors and outdoors, this is a great choice for younger children. What people say. The bounce house has a built-in slide for extra fun. It's designed with safety features to keep kids secure while playing. The durable material ensures long-lasting use for many play sessions. Number 4. Intex Jump-O-Lene Trampoline Bounce House. Introducing a safe and exciting way for your little ones to play. Made with phthalate-free PVC and high curtain walls, it ensures a secure environment for kids aged 3 to 6. This inflatable castle is perfect for any space, whether it's the living room or the backyard. It offers versatile fun, but remember, it requires a separate air pump for inflation. Designed for up to 2 children, it can support a combined weight of 120 pounds. This means double the fun and enjoyment for your young ones. With a stable double mattress floor, it prevents tipping and wobbling. You can rest assured it stays steady even during the most active jumping sessions. Featuring a built-in crawl-through door, it helps develop coordination and balance. It sparks imaginative play, providing endless hours of fun and physical activity. What we like? This bouncer features a unique crawl-through door, encouraging imaginative play and coordination. It also includes a reinforced net for added safety and a stable double mattress floor. If your kids enjoy interactive play and you prioritize a secure environment, this is the one to consider. What people say. The bounce house has a slide that adds extra fun for the kids. It's a good size for multiple children to play in at once. The material seems durable and holds up well to active play. Number 3. Little Tikes Jr. Jump and Slide. Get ready for hours of active play with this exciting bouncer. It's designed for maximum fun and safety for your little ones. With 3 mesh sides, you can easily keep an eye on your children as they play. It's built with their safety and your peace of mind in mind. Stakes ensure it stays securely anchored to the ground. A powerful blower provides continuous air, so the fun never stops. Constructed from tough, puncture-resistant material, this bouncer is built to last. It's ready for all the jumping and sliding adventures. This is the ideal addition to your backyard for outdoor fun. It's designed for home use, bringing the playground to you. Offering a spacious inflated size, there's plenty of room for kids to jump and slide. It's designed to accommodate active play. What we like? With 3 mesh sides, parents can easily supervise the fun. It provides continuous airflow thanks to a heavy-duty blower and is built with puncture-resistant material for durability. If you need a straightforward, safe, and durable bouncer for outdoor backyard use, this Amazon exclusive is a solid option. What people say. The bounce house has a built-in slide for extra fun. It's easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for storage. The durable material ensures long-lasting use. Number 2. Little Tikes Rocky Mountain River Race Inflatable Slide Bouncer. Get ready for an adventure with this amazing inflatable water bouncer. It's designed for hours of outdoor fun and excitement. Featuring a fun climbing wall, 2 thrilling slides, and a refreshing splash pool, this bouncer offers multiple ways to play. It's perfect for staying cool on hot days. Watch out for the surprise dump bucket. It playfully showers kids with water as they ascend the center climbing wall, adding an extra element of surprise. This bouncer can accommodate up to 4 children at once. The combined weight limit is 350 pounds, ensuring safe and enjoyable play for everyone. With impressive dimensions of 161 inches long, 169 inches wide, and 103 inches high, it provides a spacious and engaging play area for your little ones. What we like? This inflatable offers a complete water park experience with a climbing wall, 2 slides, and a splash pool. It can accommodate more children and a higher weight limit. If you're looking for an exciting water-based play structure for multiple kids during warmer months, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The bounce house is easy to set up and take down. The slide is a great addition and provides extra fun for the kids. It's durable and has held up well to frequent use. Number 1. Bounceland Jump and Splash Adventure. Get ready for non-stop excitement with the Jump and Splash Adventure. This all-in-one bounce house and water slide combo offers hours of active fun for your little ones. Featuring a spacious bouncing area with a basketball hoop, a thrilling long slide with a climbing wall, and a large pool, there's something for everyone to enjoy. It inflates in under a minute for quick setup. Crafted from heavy-duty, puncture-proof material with reinforced stitching, this inflatable is built to last. Safety is paramount, with secure stakes and a safe access point. Rest assured, this product meets and exceeds worldwide safety standards, including UL certification for the included blower. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Encourage physical activity and imaginative play, replacing screen time with real-world adventure. It's the ideal gift to keep children fit and entertained. We stand by our quality with a 90-day limited warranty on the bounce house and a 1-year warranty on the blower. Our customer service team is always ready to assist you. What we like? This all-in-one adventure bounce house includes a basketball hoop and the option to connect a water hose for a splashy good time. It's made with heavy-duty, puncture-proof material and comes with a UL-certified blower for safety. If you want a bouncer that offers a variety of activities, including sports and water play, and prioritizes safety certifications, this is the perfect gift. What people say. The bounce house has a built-in slide for extra fun. It's easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for use. The durable material ensures long-lasting play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.